so we are going to do a quick 2 honor box collection, see how it does. Hopefully the mic quality is pretty good. But we're gonna open these up. These were 42 poppers, so you know you can't expect a lot. And they were like unique spots. They're not your normal restaurant location, so I don't expect good things, but we're gonna see how we did. Oh, there we go. It made this whole video awesome. They actually did pretty well. So let me see if I can zoom in here. So this one actually has a 5 in it, which is awesome. So $7 there. So we're good. This one as well did pretty good. A lot of change. So let me go ahead and count this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's just a lot of quarters, so I will have to count them. But $7 in bills. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, sadly, my camera did die, but we were counting this one out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was wrong on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 at the one that's really awesome profit because we only did 42 pops. So this one is 7 and a little tiny bit of change. So we did, you know, just over $20 for 2 boxes with only $8 cost of pops. And I knew it was 7, so we did basically $22 with these. Let's recount them here because I found another $1. Let's see how much we did in bills. It's cool that we did get a 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 5, $14. So, you know, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22 from these honor boxes. Super cool. I will have to put these now on a newer cycle because these were on 3-week cycles and obviously they sold out. So they still have to be on 2-week cycles whether they sell all the pops or not. So this was 3 weeks and it was about $11 in profit from this if you were running it not completely for charity. Let's say you ran a little bit for charity, gave 10%. You know, you made about $10 for a half hour of your time doing this. It's not terrible. But obviously having more of them, you could check the other videos. I'll put an info card up somewhere. Having a lot of them, you could do a lot better, a lot tighter, but these were on 3 weeks. They're my only ones on 3 weeks. I'm at about 28 locations, I believe now. I'm starting to pull some of the worst ones, but this business is cool. If you want to make some money, you know, we're running a sale right now, so check the link in the description. Honor boxes are an easy way to start in the vending business, learn the vending business, do everything, how the vending business works without investing, you know, tons of money, thousands of dollars into the business. And you also start by raising money for charity, which I think is an awesome thing. Even, you know, if your kids want to start a business, this is a cool business for someone to make a little extra money, some side money, while also doing a good cause. And yeah, it's not completely for charity. Some of them do go to other things, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm super excited that you watched this video. And if you made it to the end, make sure you comment down below Honor Box Gang and Vending Revolution. And if you want a free book, I'll start doing the free book giveaways. Comment down below. If we get 50 likes on this video, I will give away a book to one of you that comments down below something interesting about the video. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.